Video, we're going to break it down for you step by step so you can reclaim control over your day. Let's dive in. Open a blank Excel spreadsheet on your PC. Click on the File menu tab, and then click on the New. In the search bar, type Schedule and press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will find many templates of schedule in the search results. Choose any template as per your requirements. I am going to click on this weekly schedule planner template. Click on the Create icon on the right side, and this will start downloading your selected template and will open in Excel. Now you can start entering your weekly plans in the template. For example, in this template, you can set and enter your weekly objectives, to-do items, deadlines this week, date and day-wise your plans. Also, can write your important notes at the bottom. You can also do style formatting for your schedule. Like here, highlight important deadlines as red background and white text. Make text bold of to-do items, etc. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.